Hello guys, this is the ambitious peasant again, creating another video. So it's gonna be an unboxing video of obviously a Casio watch, and just a little bit of story. Growing up, we were not well off, so we don't have those family heirlooms like luxury watches that are handed down from generation to generation. However, I remember my dad owning one of these affordable Casio watches, and I can still hear the alarm in my head. And no, of course, obviously this is not the watch that he owned from before. I don't know what happened to it. It got lost, I don't know. But lately I feel disconnected to my dad. I don't know if it's because of work, you know, this pandemic, stress, etc. By the way, he passed away, you know, more than a decade ago, so that's fine. But yeah, as I was browsing through you know, online stores and online shops, I saw this and it immediately reminded me of him, so I purchased this brand new Casio watch. Though this is not his watch, looking at it and probably wearing this reconnects me to him somehow. So let's get down to business. So it comes with this box. What you will notice right away is that you know, there's discoloration on the box, because what I do is whenever I get delivery, especially now that you know, there's the COVID-19 virus, is that I spray everything with Lysol and alcohol. So this is the effect of the alcohol. Then you know, I open it. Let's open it. Immediately you see here the warranty. So yeah, writing my name there. So this is the model A158WA-1. Okay. So there's this manual, and of course, obviously, oh, there's another warranty card and paper inside it. So I don't know what's this for. It's different. Anyway, having two is better than just one. So let's take that out of the picture. And you have this tag right here. They are already opened this, and here's the watch for you. So yeah, it's a very pretty watch. What you'll notice right away is it has an integrated bracelet. Kind of looks like the Patek Nautilus bracelet, but of course the material is of course cheaper, because this is, after all, an affordable watch. So there you go. There's that marking there for, I don't know if you can see it. Is it focusing on the link? And the case back is really pretty. Actually, it's a satin finish, brushed finish. So it says here Casio 593A158W, stainless steel back, water resistant. This one is made in China. Casio is supposedly, you know, a Japanese brand. I haven't researched yet, you know, how it came to be, you know, that it is made in China now, and also Thailand, if I'm not mistaken, or maybe in Indonesia. Just comment down below. So this is the lock right there. So today's Friday the 19th. This is the time. This is for the light. Oh, there you go. Poor lighting. Yeah, sorry. And then this is how you change. This is how to set the alarm. There you go. There's a timer. Stop and then reset. Oh, how do you reset? Okay. There you go. So, yeah. On the wrist, this is how you lock. So you clasp that one and you lock. And, you know, the light is not working with me, so there you go. That's how it looks. It's a pretty cool watch. Reminds me of my dad. Yeah. So let's get this back here. And what's wonderful about the bracelet is that it's adjustable. So you just need a device or a tool to pull this up. And then you can actually move this, you know, to adjust it to make it longer or shorter. Yeah, you can adjust it to your liking, so it fits any wrist size. Okay, so I'm gonna insert this video here on how to adjust the bracelet of the watch. It's so easy actually for this type of bracelet. It's very similar to a Milanese or a mesh bracelet. So it has this thing right here. It's like a clasp. So I have here a simple tool, watch tool, or anything that is you know, sturdy, small, and a little sharp, not too sharp. So what you do is we have this thing right here, this hole. You just push it out, and it pops right open, and then you can adjust it depending on the size of your wrist. For example, I want to tighten it, so now oh sorry, you can't do it without the tool. So using the tool, you close the clasp. So now it's closed. Make sure it's secure and try to put it on here, and there you go. It's adjusted. Pretty cool, huh? So yeah, this is my Casio watch that reminds me of my dad. Please like and subscribe, help me out. And yeah, give your comments below. Thank you for watching, guys.